Next, seventh question. Now this triangle is given. Now he is asking, find x plus y plus z. This x is exterior angle and this y is exterior and z is exterior angle. Now we need to find x plus y plus z. Observe this. Here x is there, here 90. So total this angle is 180 degrees. So what will be the value of x? X will be 180 minus 90. Simple. Next, what will be the value of y? Let us see. Y equal to, see, for this, first we need to know the value of this angle. Then 180 minus this we can find. So how do we know the value of this? For this, we will make use of a formula called sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So sum of the angles in this triangle is 180. This is 90, this is 30, and this we can find. How? This angle is this angle. 90 plus 30. From this we should subtract 180. 180 minus 90 plus 30. This is the angle of this. So this is 90 plus 30, 120. So we got 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. So we got this angle as 60. So y will be 180 minus 60. So y will be 180 minus 60. So it will be 120 degrees. This is one method. Or instead of doing all this, we have one shortcut. That is, any exterior angle will be sum of opposite two interior angles. Any exterior angle will be sum of opposite two interior angles. That is 90 plus 30. Directly we can take this y as 90 plus 30. What is 90 plus 30? 120 degrees. Directly. Or we can calculate like this. We will get the same value. We got y as 120 degrees. Next, z. Z is simple, 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30, that is 150 degrees. Then x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degrees. So x is 90 degrees. What's the value of y we got? 120 degrees. And z is 150. 90 plus 120, 210. 210 plus 150, 360. 360. So x plus y plus z equal to 360 degrees. Next, same sort of question, only the difference is in previous question it was triangle, now it is a quadrilateral. Let us apply the same rule. Now, x total is 180, so x equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Now, y equal to same 180 minus 80, that is 100 degrees. Then z 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. Then next w. Before finding w, first we need to find the interior angle. So how to find this? We know a property, sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Let us apply that formula. So this 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus this angle. Let us name it as K equal to 360 degrees. So 60 plus 80, 140 plus 120, 260 plus K equal to 360. So K will be 360 minus 260, that is 100 degrees. Now we want W. So this W will be 180 minus 100 degrees, that is 80 degrees. Now, so we got W as 80 degrees. Now, what we need to find? X plus Y plus Z plus W. X plus Y plus Z plus W. So, 60 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 120 degrees plus 80 degrees equal to 60 plus 100, 160 plus 120, 280 plus 80, 360 degrees. So X plus Y plus Z plus W equal to 360 degrees. Now, if we observe this question or previous question, sum of the exterior angles he is asking. So, sum of exterior angles of triangle or quadrilateral will be always 360 degrees. It will be always 360 degrees only.